London, strong winds battered parts of Britain and northern Europe on Friday, as a severe storm led to the deaths of at least 7 people in the region, damaged buildings and severely disrupted travel by air, land and sea. The storm, called Eunice, tore into roofs, flung debris through streets, wobbled planes in the skies and led the British authorities to issue a rare weather safety warning for London. Britain's National Weather Service, the Meteorological Office, said a wind gust of 122 miles per hour was recorded on the Isle of Wight, off the south coast of England, which if confirmed would be the country's highest ever. Severe weather warnings were also issued in Belgium and the Netherlands. Richard Miles, a spokesman for the Met Office, said the storm was going to be more significant than any since one in January 1990 that killed dozens of people in England. The winds led to the deaths on Friday of at least 6 people who were killed by falling trees. A cyclist and one other person were struck and killed by trees in Amsterdam, the Amsterdam Amstelen Fire Brigade said in a statement. A person in the town of Diemen was killed inside a car after it was hit by a tree, the fire brigade said. A man in his 60s was struck and killed by a falling tree in southeast Ireland, the country's police service said in a statement. The man, an employee of the Wexford County Council, was helping to clear debris from the storm. A woman in her 30s died in London after a tree fell on the car she was in, the Metropolitan Police Service said in a statement. And a 6th person, a man in his 50s, was killed when debris struck the windscreen of a vehicle in Netherton, England, the Merseyside police said in a statement. A 79-year-old British man died after he fell from his boat at a marina on a waterway in the northern town of Ypres, Belgium, after strong winds knocked him into the water, Reuters reported.